Hey everyone! Welcome back where we dive deep into the latest and greatest in tech. Today, we're looking at a sleek pair of wireless earphones that's turning heads though. Original T2 wireless Bluetooth earphones. They're transparent, they pack HIFI audio, and they even come with a digital LED display. Let's jump in and see if these earphones live up to the hype. Alright, let's talk about the design.com now. The T2s are fully transparent, and that gives them this cool, futuristic look that you don't see in your average earphones. You can actually see some of the inner components, which really adds to the touchy aesthetic. And they're light enough that they don't feel bulky in your ears. Another thing I really like is the LED digital display on the charging case. It shows the remaining power, so you know exactly when to charge. It's such a convenient touch. And it's surprisingly hard to find this in other earphones at this price range. Now let's get to the most important part, the sound quality. These earphones feature HIFI stereo sound, and that means you're getting clear, balanced audio with nice bass and treble. Whether you're listening to pop, rock, or even a podcast, the audio is crisp and immersive. The T2s are built to keep the highs, mids, and lows distinct, which is something that's perfect if you're an audiophile. Alright, so these earphones run on Bluetooth 5.0, and that gives you a reliable, stable connection with minimal dropouts. You can pair them up with pretty much any device, including Xiaomi phones, without a hitch. Plus, they have a pretty solid range, so you don't have to worry about carrying your phone around all the time while you listen. Battery life is also pretty solid here. With the charging case, you're looking at around 20 hours of playback. That's enough to get you through a couple of days of use before you need to plug it in. And because of that LED power display, you'll always know when it's time to charge up comfort-wise. The T2 earphones fit snugly without being too tight. They come with different ear tip sizes, so you can find the perfect fit. They're comfortable enough to wear for long periods without causing ear fatigue, which is always a plus if you plan to use these for commuting or even working out. Overall, the original T2 wireless Bluetooth earphones are a great choice for anyone looking for stylish, high-quality earphones with some impressive features. Especially at this price, you get clear, HIFI stereo. If you're in the market for something new, these are definitely worth checking out. As always, I'll leave a link in the description if you want to learn more or pick up a pair. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite feature of the T2 earphones. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.